Here I have VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So, to turn off running apps, you will have to access the recent section. It depends on which type of the navigation you have. If you have these gestures navigations like me, you can just access recent section by sliding your finger from the bottom like this, and here you can see all of your opened apps. But if you have the other type of navigation with the 3 buttons, you will have the home button, back button, and the recents button. So after you tap this button, you will access this section, and you have all of these opened apps which are you don't use at the particular moment, and they are slowing down your device. So what you can do about it is to scroll here, find this button clear all, tap on it, and after that all of these apps will be turned off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.